we are going to see how we can grab some of the important keywords from our Google business profile itself. So in this case, this is say like our one of our office GBP itself. So recording over here, we go to this GBP management page, log into the same Google account, type in your GBP, you see this. Let me just do it so we see it here, or you can find out it from Google My Business in Google. Log into the same Google account and reach this page for the GBP. Once you are there, click on this how many customer interactions, scroll it down, and there you can see all the keywords which are bringing you the traffic. So from here you can find out some of the important keywords, what keyword you should be taking that are already bringing you some of the clicks or interaction from the searches to your map listing. So this is the way how you can find out the very important keywords which are already decided by Google to show your Google business profile. So grabbing some of the 5-10 keywords from this list is the best, because Google is already thinking to rank you somewhere for these keywords. Thank you very much.